Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a stable memory channel. Do this now. Connect the metal Sonic to your workstation and confirm firmware v2, 1 or higher, because older code can corrupt outcomes. Once done, back up existing outcome memories to an external 8 GB drive. This protects against rollback failure. Next, launch Memory Link v3. 4 with admin credentials and load drivers. Make sure the device is in safe mode and network interfaces are disabled to avoid packet interference. This prepares the system for targeted extraction. You now extract and map the memories themselves. Start a deep scan using Outcome Scan Comprehensive and monitor each block, typically 6 to 12 minutes per block depending on complexity. As items appear, map neural tags to Event ID. Prioritize entries with confidence scores above 90% to reduce ambiguity. Once segments are mapped, export them using SHA 256 checksums and label each file with a timestamp plus tag index so you can trace provenance. Make sure to verify integrity before proceeding to transformation. You finish by transforming and reinstating the optimized outcomes. Apply your target filters. Dampen hostile triggers by 40% while boosting contextual cues by 25% so the behavior shifts without breaking coherence. Once transformed, run 10 isolated simulation runs and record any anomalies. If more than 3 failures occur, roll back to the backup. When tests pass, reinstate live using a gradual ramp from 0% to 50% to 100% over 30 minutes, and confirm checksums match. Troubleshooting tip. If unexpected behaviors appear, immediately revert to the backup image and rerun mapping diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.